This is not garbage. I moved into the new house. Shoes was totally contaminated while moving. It was so dirty, I didn't know what to do. I found a sneaker washing machine near the supermarket. Today, I went there to wash my sneakers with 10,000 won. There is also a con laundry right in front of my house, but there's no shoes washing machine. I walked a little more and arrived at the washing machine room that looked a little more up to date. It was the first time I saw a sneaker washing machine. Unlike a regular washing machine, it has a brush. The laundry fee is 5,000 won. No need to add detergent. You need to add coins to dry. The cleanest way for washing shoes is to give them to the mother. I've tried it myself, but the results compared to the time were not efficient. The washing takes 38 minutes. This place is heaven. There's a cell phone charger and Wi-Fi. Looking at the washing machine is like my older sister when I was young. My sister hit me like this. When I'm in the laundry room during a day, I feel like I'm unemployed, but that's fine, cause I'm unemployed. It's my favorite sound. It's a time to put the shoes in the dryer. I was a little disappointed because it didn't seem had to have been cleaned as I thought. I put all my hopes on the dryer. I put in 2001 and dried it for 60 minutes. The person next to me threw his clothes in the dryer and left. You can put shoes up to 8 pairs in this dryer. It's been 60 minutes, but not dried yet. I waited 60 minutes again. Dry was done. It was greedy to dry it perfectly. As a result, I'm satisfied with this machine. I think it's a service that exceeds 9,000 won. I'm going to put the remaining 1,000 won in the piggy bank. The light stops to go home. I feel every time that there's nothing perfect. Thank you for watching this video.